Hey guys, I'm Bryony Ace and I am at the Ideal Home Show Christmas right now. It is gorgeously festive. I have just jumped off the stage talking all things soulful, simplistic Christmas styling. That was really fun. I'm just about to head over now to set up for one of my 2 workshops that I'm doing today. I am doing some wreath workshops with some gorgeous preserved foliage from Atlas Flowers, and we're making some stunning bows, loads of different fabric and material, gorgeously sourced by the Pure Edit. So I can't wait to show you a few more bits of behind the scenes of this amazing show. Let's go. We are in the middle of one of my first wreath shops here at Ideal Home Show Christmas. These gorgeous ladies are using all of this fabulous preserved foliage, eucalyptus leaves from Atlas Flowers, and then we're going to move on to making some bows. It smells gorgeous and orangey in here because we have got oranges all over the table. Everyone's got a drink, everyone's happy. We just finished up on the first wreath workshop. Oh my goodness, that was chaos, but so much fun. Who knew that you could make a wreath in an hour? And I wanted to show you the little stand, the Atlas stand over here, because this is all of the preserved foliage that we've used. It smells gorgeous in here. I can't even tell you how amazing this is. We used all of this lovely preserved foliage for our wreaths. And if you just look over here, I'll show you how they've been upstaging me with this wreath. I mean, we couldn't make this in an hour. It's a bit unfair, isn't it? One of the things I absolutely love about Ideal Home is the variety. There's a bit of everything. You can come and get a jacuzzi, come and get your interiors sorted, Christmas decorations. I've been fed very well upstairs. You can have great chats. You can go to one of the workshops. Absolutely love it. It's so diverse. Okay guys, that is it. That is a wrap at Ideal Home Show Christmas. I've had such a lovely time. We've been doing sustainability and Christmas chats on stage. We've done wreath workshops. Thank you so much to the sponsors, Atlas Flowers, and to the Pure Edit for the gorgeous wreaths that I was able to create over 4 workshops this weekend. It has honestly been such a festively gorgeous event. I've loved every single second. I've loved meeting you guys. So if you came to say hi, thanks. And I will see you soon guys for another video.